Listen closely. You don't always have to fuck her hard. In fact, sometimes that's not right. Sometimes you got to make some love and fucking girls smooth too. Sometimes you got to squeeze. Sometimes you got to say please. Sometimes you got to say, hey, I'm gonna fuck you softly. I'm gonna screw you gently. I'm gonna hump you sweetly. I'm gonna bore you discreetly. And then you say, hey, I got your flowers. And then you say, wait a minute, sorry. I think I got something in my teeth. Could you get it out for me? That's fucking teamwork. What's your favorite dish? Get cool with me, it's not my favorite, but I'll do it for you. What's your favorite dish? I'm not gonna cook it, but I love it. It's simple. And then I'm gonna blow you completely. And then I'll fucking bone you completely. And then I'm gonna hold you discreetly. But then